How to safely get an arthritic dog in and out of a car. As dogs age, they need a bit of extra care and some routines might have to change, such as going for a car ride. You'll probably need to help your dog getting in and out of the car if they're suffering from arthritis. Please consider your own safety before attempting to lift any dog. Dogs weighing more than 20 kilos should not be lifted by one individual. Dogs weighing less than 20 kilos may be lifted depending on your own physical abilities with the following technique. Remember to bend at the knees and lift with your legs. Don't bend over the dog as this may result in back injury. Locate your dog's chest right behind their front legs and place one hand here and the other hand under their belly or their rump. If your dog is too heavy for you to lift, you can use a portable ramp. Prevent access to food before traveling to avoid car sickness. Arthritic dogs shouldn't be allowed to jump out of the car as this may damage their joints. The same amount of care should be taken to lift and place dogs onto the ground as was used to place them into the car. Or use a ramp to help your dog out of the car.